Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send bulk WhatsApp messages. So you can send message or track them whether your receipt has been read that messages or not by using WhatsApp broadcast. So how it works, let me explain you. So to know the process of WhatsApp broadcast messages, watch this video till the end. So now let's start the process. First of all, open your WhatsApp application. Now click on these three dots and tap on this new broadcast. Select the people whom you want to send the messages. For example, I want to send the messages to these two people from my contact list. Now after selecting people, click on this tick mark. Now the group of your people has been created, but this group only visible to you. Now just write the messages whatever you want to write. Now to check this whether this broadcast message is working or not, go back. So I am selecting this person here. I just click on this message. Now you can see a very small symbol has been popped up on the message. That means this message has been sent by using broadcast message, and this symbol will be visible only to you. So in this way you can send one single message to multiple people by using WhatsApp broadcast, and that's how you can send bulk messages to many people as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.